this episode, a biker gets pulled over, not for speeding, not for reckless riding, but for wearing a GoPro on his helmet, and somehow that simple stop spirals into multiple units on scene. From surprisingly cool cops to tense traffic stops and insane close calls, this episode shows just how unpredictable a single ride can become. What starts as a routine ride suddenly turns into a traffic stop, not for speeding or reckless riding, but because this biker is wearing a GoPro on his helmet.
Turn my radio down.
Can I see your driver's license, registration, and insurance, please?
So what are you pulling me over for?
The GoPro on your helmet.
The GoPro on my helmet.
Yeah, the fixture, the mounting rod, right?
What's wrong with it?
You're not allowed to have that on your helmet. You can't have anything protrude more than 2 millimeters off the surface of the helmet.
That's a crime?
It's not a crime, it's an infraction.
Okay, so you pulled me over for a non-crime?
It's an infraction, it's a moving violation. You can't have anything on your helmet. It compromises the integrity. Can I have the information I asked you for, please?
Actually, sir, I mean, the fact that you pulled me over for a traffic violation of a GoPro on the top of my helmet, which is for my safety, it's kind of ridiculous. I will not be consenting to anything. So
Okay.
if you need to get a sergeant out here, that'd be great. But,
What's your name?
did I commit a crime?
I've stopped you for a traffic violation.
Okay.
I've asked you for your information, you're refusing to give it to me.
I'm not refusing to give it to you. It's just that I did not commit a crime. And you pulled me over for a GoPro on my helmet,
And it's a traffic violation.
which is for my safety.
Okay. Answer my question. Speeding
I'm
a
not
crime?
answering any more questions. I'd like to speak to my lawyer.
Can I have your information, please?
You can get your sergeant.
Sit tight.
He pulled me over because I have a GoPro on my helmet. What a ridiculous revenue collecting piece of shit.
Instead of ending there, things escalate fast. A sergeant and additional units arrive on scene, all over a helmet camera, turning a simple stop into an unbelievable situation you have to see to believe.
Traffic violation.
I got stopped for a GoPro on my helmet.
And I've told you it's a traffic violation.
That's a violation. So go ahead and get your sergeant here.
Okay, I've told you it's a violation, so you're still refusing to produce your information.
If
when
you
you've been
can
informed that
articulate a crime that I have committed, I will ID. Until then, I do not have to ID. And in fact, this is a violation of my Fourth Amendment right, and I am now invoking Title 18, Section 242, deprivation of rights under color of law. If you do one more movement without getting your sergeant here, you're...
Did you hear me?
Did you hear me? Get your sergeant here. I'm done speaking to you. I told you I am done talking. I am now invoking my Fifth Amendment right to stay silent. Thank you.
If you fail to produce your information,
then what? You're going to arrest me?
You're in jeopardy of being
So that'd
placed
be
under
kidnapping,
arrest.
and I already invoked Title 18, Section 242.
How is that kidnapping?
You'll find that out in court, sir.
You're failing to identify
You'll find
to
that out
myself.
in court.
Are you familiar with?
Are you getting your sergeant?
Are you familiar with Section Penal Code
Are
148?
you not listening to a lawful order?
Are you listening
Call
to my lawful order?
your sergeant. You are not. This traffic stop is unlawful, especially since I told you this is a violation of my Fourth Amendment right.
Okay.
And you pulled me over for a GoPro.
Which I told you is a traffic violation.
Okay. Well, I'm going to stay right here, and I'm staying silent.
Okay.
Until I speak to my lawyer.
Do
or
you
you get your
really want to
sergeant.
go to jail?
Do you not want to get your sergeant?
I've called him.
Okay, good. Well, I'm staying silent until he's here and I talk to him.
Okay.
Bliss, please step away from me with your badge, your gun, and your fake costume. I'll be right here.
Okay.
You know, I informed him if I committed a crime, I would ID immediately, but he does not suspect me of committing a crime. He pulled me over for a GoPro helmet.
So if he issues you a citation, are you gonna sign it?
If he issues me a citation,
Correct.
he could take that and wipe his ass with it.
Why are you being so...
Because he pulled me over for a GoPro on my helmet.
Okay.
Okay? Is that a crime?
If it's in the vehicle code, then yes, it is.
Is it a crime? Do you know what a crime is?
Yes, I know what a crime is. If
Okay.
it's in the vehicle code, then it's a
So
crime.
just tell me what the difference between a crime and an infraction is.
An infraction is a crime, yes.
Okay, so is this a misdemeanor or a felony?
I don't know. It's definitely not a felony.
Well, I know that, but is it a misdemeanor or a felony?
It's
Neither one.
It's most likely not a
Either one.
misdemeanor too.
Okay.
But I don't.
So I
know
don't need
that.
I don't need an ID for a non-crime. He's a jack. He's gonna
He
get.
pulled you over for a reason, right?
Listen, either way, I'm gonna see him in court.
I'll listen to you. Yeah.
Okay. So either way, he'll be seen in court and he'll learn a lesson.
Good.
And if you guys want to come here and back him up for a unlawful stop,
This is what we always do, though. Like,
I know that.
If we see
Listen,
somebody on a traffic stop, if we see somebody on a traffic, you know that.
No,
If we
I
see
know,
somebody on a
and
traffic
I'm
stop,
always
we're
there.
gonna
But
move.
the thing is, like, when you show up and you realize, like, I'm someone that knows my rights. Okay, so I did not commit a crime. I do not have to ID. I will not ID. He can't even write me that ticket without seeing my ID and getting my consent. So do I have to sign that ticket? No, and I will still go to court. It's not that big of a deal. I don't have to sign the thing.
Okay.
And he's gonna want to arrest me, and if he wants to arrest me, that's gonna be his problem.
Okay.
Like, make my day, dude.
Sir, how are you?
Morning.
So what's going on?
So it was a great day.
Okay.
Okay, I was just out enjoying my day, and I got pulled over for having a GoPro on my helmet.
Okay.
Okay, and so I let Bliss know that, you know, this is a violation of my Fourth Amendment right. The fact that I was just traveling, I was following all the rules and laws of the road and just traffic safety and nothing. And then he gets behind me and pulls me over for a GoPro and tries to tell me that that's a violation of whatever code. What safety code? What does it even matter? You know, what if I had a fin on my helmet? What if I put my visor up? Is that now a violation of the traffic code? Like, look how close my visor is being as high as my GoPro. What violation, what crime have I committed? Please tell me.
Okay, so you're in violation of the California Vehicle Code, which says you can't have that mounted on your helmet.
Okay, so can you
It's as
tell me
simple
what
as
code that is?
Pardon?
What code is that?
Pardon? I don't know, what code is it?
Okay, look that up and also
But
tell me what crime I
regardless-
committed.
Regardless, it's an infraction.
Okay,
It's like speeding.
and I'll see him in court.
Correct.
Absolutely.
need
And
your
it's gonna be a
we
fun
need
day in
your-
court. Make sure you're ready for a full day, buddy.
Right, and we need your information. So I need your
I
driver's
have not
license,
committed a
registration
crime.
information.
A crime. Do you know what a crime is?
Do you understand what we're saying? We just
I
need
see.
your
I
information.
understand. Is what I just did a misdemeanor or a felony?
It's an infraction.
Exactly.
Infraction.
There's no crime in an infraction. Therefore, I
So
have
we
no
need
reason.
to have your driver's license.
Look.
All right. Need you to sign here in the red box. Being cited for motorcycle helmet safety. Sign there in the red box. What did you add here?
The truth.
Under duress.
That's exactly the term.
You weren't under duress.
I absolutely am.
Okay.
A violation of my Fourth Amendment
You're
right.
not going to get anything in the mail. Everything's done online in El Dorado County. There's a web address right here. Give it about 8 business days. Go to that web address, enter your citation information, your personal information, and your options there will be on how to handle the citation.
Yep. Just make sure you're ready to go to court. So
right.
I will be needing you there.
Okay. So
Was your body cam on? Oh, you don't have one. Do you have a dash cam?
you need to take that off your helmet, okay?
Do you have a dash cam?
I did.
Okay. I'll be FOIAing that. And I'll also be FOIAing your records for a very long time to make you look really bad.
Okay.
Go away.
You need to take that
Goodbye.
off your helmet.
Goodbye.
Okay?
Goodbye.
Are you going to take that off your helmet?
Goodbye. I don't answer questions. Goodbye.
Okay. If you get back on this motorcycle,
If you
with that
don't
on
leave
your
me
helmet,
alone, this is just going to escalate very much further and you're going to look really bad, dude. I mean, it's just like, just go away. You gave me the ticket, go away.
In this clip, a biker does something clearly illegal right in front of a cop, but instead of escalating, the officer's surprisingly cool reaction changes everything.
Yes, sir. It's in my book bag. It's a 45-day tag and it blew off. Yes, sir. I'm on my way back to work. I'll get it fixed.
A simple rolling stop turns into a pullover in this clip, showing how quickly a small mistake can catch a rider's attention from law enforcement.
How you doing?
Good. That stop sign wasn't too good. Do you have your license?
Yeah. Can I
Do
get
you have
off?
an- Yeah. Yeah, because technically...
Yeah, I know. I didn't put my feet down, but
Well, you were still probably above first gear.
no, I was still in first.
Okay. Yeah, it was pretty.
I mean, I got my GoPro rolling, but
Well, I do too. I got 3 cameras on you.
yeah, no, I know.
Plus a microphone.
I mean, I know I didn't like do it complete all the way, you know.
Well, the key is you're dressed right, you got a helmet, you have an M, you may be good with that, but
Yeah,
we're also asked to kind of do something.
I hear you.
Because this is a pretty busy, yeah, okay, that's good. Because there's a warrant on a female with a similar name. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's funny whenever there's
Hey,
similar
I'm all good, man.
It's crazy. Yeah, hang tight.
Yeah.
But anyhow, watch your stop sign.
All right, I
This is
appreciate
Edgeworth.
that. Like I said, I know I didn't do the complete stop, man. I'm an honest guy, you know. I appreciate it, but
So you'll be good.
I did it, and then I looked, I seen, I'm like, he's coming.
You know he's doing his job.
Yeah, I know.
All right,
Yep.
put your helmet back
Yep.
on.
Thank you.
All right, take care.
Yeah, be safe.
A peaceful morning ride on a BMW takes an unexpected turn when police get involved, turning a calm cruise into an interesting encounter.
Audio and video. Are you alright with that? Okay. Now the purpose of my stopping you is for a random breath test. Okay. Can you take your helmet off for me, please?
So you guys follow me all the way?
No, not following. We're just doing our laps.
Yeah.
The whole day we're here. So
You guys could have
we're not
stopped me
following.
up there though. It's a bit dangerous here, don't you think?
No, we're just going up and down, up and down. That's all we're
I
doing.
mean, you guys could have stopped me at the shop, and do yeah, it's a bit
we don't
dangerous.
know whether you're going there. We don't know.
Okay.
You could just turn back around and go somewhere else.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, that's all good. Thank you. Do you have your driver's license on you at all?
Yeah, digital.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm gonna take my phone.
Can you take it out?
Yeah.
Thanks. Alright, basically the reason why we pulled you over was
Random breath.
yeah, for the random breath test.
Oh,
And you've passed the test, and I've done a driver's license check as well.
all good.
It's coming back as active.
Yeah.
So I don't have a problem now. If you want to leave or you want to go on the side and make your phone calls, you're right to
Okay.
go.
Okay. I'll wear my helmet.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah. I'll
take
just
it.
go up.
Yeah, we'll just wait so that no one takes you out.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, when you move, we'll move.
Okay.
Okay?
Thanks. Thank
All
you.
right.
Have a
Thanks.
good day.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.
In this clip, a motorcycle rider takes a moment to show appreciation to a sheriff, turning a brief encounter into a respectful and positive exchange.
I appreciate you guys. God bless you, man.
That's safe.
No problem.
A split-second mistake leads to an insane close call, showing just how fast things can go wrong on the road.
On. If you need to do any service or anything like that, bikes are, in terms of service, like cars, extremely easy compared to cars. So they're a lot smaller and simpler, and whoa, holy sh whoa, whoa, whoa. Holy sh! Whoa! Oh, excuse my language. I almost died. Oh! Thank you.
after getting caught speeding, this biker expects the worst, but instead runs into a genuinely good cop, making the stop take an unexpected turn.
Oh my god. I wasn't racing or anything. I was just literally going around him. Hey, how are you? No, I don't like staying between cars. It bothers me at nighttime, so that's why I was trying to get around the car and go on the side. He started going next to me fast, so that's why I let him go.
Okay, yeah, I saw him.
Yeah,
He was trying to out.
I was just trying to go on the side. I don't like staying with the cars at nighttime.
You were rolling about 75, and then
Yeah, I just wanted to get to the side.
got to like 80 plus.
Yeah, I just wanted to get to the side, that's all.
You got your license on you?
Yes, I got it. I'm sorry, my hands are kind of numb.
Just slow it down for me a little bit.
Yeah, thank you so much. Appreciate it.